Most beginners do push-ups for months without fixing any of these mistakes, and they wonder, why am I not improving my push-ups? You don't have to be one of them, because after fixing these 7 mistakes, your push-ups will become much stronger and safer. The first mistake is doing half reps. Many beginners only go halfway down. If you do this for days, your muscle growth will slow down, and you will never be able to increase your push-ups. To fix this, every time you do a push-up, lower your chest close to the floor and stay there for about 1 to 2 seconds before coming back up. The second mistake is sagging hips. Imagine your body during a push-up like a wooden board. If the middle of the board bends down, it becomes weak. The same thing happens with your body. If your belly is loose, your hips drop down and your back can hurt. To fix it, squeeze your tummy and your butts and keep your body like a plank from your head to heel. The third mistake is elbows flaring too wide. Most beginners often push with elbows straight out like a T shape. If you do this for long enough, you can end up with shoulder stress and less power to do even 5 push-ups. To fix it, always keep your elbows about 30 to 45 degrees from your body. The next mistake is having hands too wide. Some beginners spread their hands very far apart. This makes doing push-ups easier, but not effective. This can put too much pressure on your shoulders and can cause pain. To fix it, place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. In this position, it will be hard to do a push-up, but this will balance your muscle use. The fifth mistake is raising the hips too high. This mistake turns the push-up into a weird pike position. When you are coming back up in the push-ups position, most of your weight goes into the chest. But if you raise your hips too high, it removes the chest pressure completely. This can slow down chest growth rapidly, so when you are doing a push-ups, always have your body like a plank, straight from head to heels. The sixth mistake is head placement. Most beginners often look straight up or let their head drop. If your head hangs down during a push-up, your neck muscles have to hold it in a weird way, and they can start to hurt. So, to fix it, always keep your neck neutral without putting pressure onto it, and look slightly ahead and keep that position for the entire push-up set. The final and the biggest mistake beginners make is rushing reps. 99% of the beginners rush through push-ups to increase reps, to say their ex that they can do 50 or 100 push-ups in one set. In push-ups, if you drop down fast and bounce up, your body is using speed and swinging motion, not your muscles. This slows down your strength gain rapidly. To fix this, always have control of your full body when you are lowering yourself and push up smoothly, so your muscle have more time to activate. And those are the mistakes you need to fix. But before you leave this video, do 10 push-up right now. Then come back and comment, "Man, let's see who actually did them."